Arthur Cohen, owner of Arthur Cohen Insurance, is joining us this morning. Arthur, welcome.
Thank you, Deb. Thanks for having me on Morning Blend. I
Yeah.
hope I could offer you and your viewers some common sense advice about insurance planning.
Well, I'm sure you can. So talk about your basic approach to that you take when you advise your clients.
Okay. Well, what we have in common, you and I, is that, your yoga is an important part of your life. And I think yoga and insurance have a lot in common because it's all about security and peace of mind, you
Um,
know?
yeah,
Um, and I've been doing this for many, many years, and it's so important to make sure that your insurance portfolio is commensurate with your stage in life. Most people don't really know what they have, and policy review is so important every few years. We go to the dentist, we go to the doctor for checkups. It's just so important to keep your insurance um, to make sure that it's commensurate with your stage in life.
yeah, yeah.
So the planning that we focus on is protecting people against dying too soon, of course, with life insurance,
Hmm.
but also we have to protect against living too long nowadays. And this
Yeah,
is called longevity planning,
sure, sure.
long-term care insurance.
Yeah,
Uh,
talk a little about the importance of long-term care insurance.
okay, so the odds of needing care are 70%. This is our largest exposure. Long-term care is what you need when you have the inability to perform your activities of daily living, things we take for granted. You wake up in the morning, you get out of bed, that's transferring. You take a shower, that's bathing yourself, you eat that. So if you need help doing these things for whatever reason, stroke, heart attack, cancer, car accident, that's when you need care. Care is really, really expensive. In Miami, it's $25 an hour. In New York, it's a little more.
Um,
So, nobody knows how much care we're going to need. But if you do the math, it could wipe out a family. And
yeah,
also, well, it could certainly wipe out your life savings. And nobody wants to be a burden to their family. And nobody wants to have that financial burden. So there needs to be a plan in place for long-term care.
yeah. Real quickly, recommendations for people approaching retirement. We've got about 10 seconds left.
We only have 10 seconds left. Okay, we need to make sure you don't outlive your money.
Yeah,
We focus on using fixed guaranteed annuities to help protect you against living too long. Just like Social Security or pension, the only way to add to that is with an annuity from a life insurance company.
thank you, Arthur.